Ka Sorkar jela kala ai ka Mynjur bante ki shispa prapun riu tali ki ying skul nak benta ki lower primary bagi kamra kelas thamai nak benta ki babon tali ki higher secondary school kabade shibenta jong ka jing persyang ban pen klanya ki jing te ya ki jaka puli puthi hakabas dang jong uni usnam mang tingka ha bapun bena ya kani hadin ka jingalang bishar kam kabala ne saukinta haka artrik ya yong umintri katanat puli puthi upala akmen rumbui ulai buram ya umintri rangba ka jela ukon rat ki sangma halor ka jingmen jorye kini ki project baya day bat ki ying school ngas ngok men shibun ba umintri rangba ulamang haduk kumba shispa prapun riu teliki ying school nakabenta ki lower primary bat ka baken thop ya ki kattu ka ni ki higher secondary ki badan kam shu ya ki kamra class ula ong u mentri ula ong ru baka jingalang kalay kren ru halor ka jingdon kam nong tre nakabenta ka subdivision ka badang shupen khat mai ken thop ya ka office ki subdivisional school education officer kino ki kam ki bangila ban pen ben in sa pen ben no mardor kitu ki badan kam banyakran bat katanat personal finance lani bat umintri rangba in sara banyakran ula ong kajing menjur jong kakin hun mentri ya ka Meghalaya Teachers Training Academy ru klami ha kajinga kren ha kani kajingalang katanat puli puthi klapen mi ru ya kajing pen bana halwar ka academy bat kalabatha ya u director bat ki officer bakin pen kre ya kapalan ban pen trekam kajing ajing hikai ki nonghikai kalong ka bakong san bha ngilaban jure ki bakin shnai ki plan bat ban rai kumno ban penya yaka ong ubala kmen umintri ulashong bisharu hak baya day ber kajing pen kre na kabenta ka exam Meghalaya Teachers Eligibility Test kabala pen benada ka Directorate of Education Research and Training ubala kmen ula kubur halor ki jarwit jarwat hadien ka jingpen mi hukum jongka yeng kashri Supreme Court baki nohikai ki baladon menta haka kamru kin hapan pas ya kanik exam ngitip bakan sami ka jing namar ngin don bon ba ki kertong ngilaya kren kumno bat lano on penlong ya ka exam bat kam de satya bandon ka nong kono ka jing ulaong
the issue related to the infrastructure of different government LP schools in the state of Meghalaya. I am very happy that the Honorable Chief Minister has sanctioned about 186 number of new, school building for the LP school and also including the few higher secondary school which additional classroom is needed. We also reviewed about the issue related to the new subdivision which have been created, which we need the office of SDACO or as the case may be different. We are reviewing all those issues. There are also many issues which also we are reviewing so that to see that today being the first month of financial year, whatever issue which we could resolve, we will resolve immediately, and what are the issues which need to take with the personnel, with the finance, or to take with to discuss with Honorable CM, we will take. So that's why I took this opportunity to help this comprehensive review for about 4 hours regarding this issue. And number 7, the issue which we discussed, as you know, that the government of Meghalaya, the Honorable Cabinet has approved that there should be a Meghalaya Teachers Training Academy. And that notification have been issued. We have also impressed upon the director of the academy and the officers there to formulate the plan and also how to go with it and how to do and what are the things to be done, because because teachers training is very, very important. We also discussed about the as you know that the education department through DERT have already advertised for MTED. for MTED. So we have discussed the issue. As you know that this year, because of the issue arise due, due to the due to the recent Supreme Court ruling, where even in service teachers also they have to pass that. So we know that there will be an issue because a large of number of candidate will be there. So we discuss how, so that as and when the exam is conducted, should be no issues at all. We also discuss about the exam, the issue related to emboss, and the emboss inform us that the result will be declared on the 7th of April, and the issue regarding the other textbook and others we discussed at length, because what is our priority? The priority is that the we should give the best to our children according to this recent development, or it should be up to date. So we also discuss about the issue arising of the recent Supreme Court ruling, where we have to saturate the government school, have to saturate to see that there is a girls' toilet in the schools. So those are issues we discuss, and we discuss also about the same issue which related to the same judgment which the Honorable Supreme Court has directed that the sanitary pad vending machine should be there. So all those issues which we discussed, and as I said, in education it is not very easy to solve all the issues together, but we have to go, whatever we can do immediately, and what is the long plan. That's why I take this advantage of today. In fact, we have fixed the meeting yesterday, being the first day of the financial year. But since we have so many programs today and yesterday, and we have also the cabinet meeting, so we postpone it today. So I take this opportunity, being the first, so to say, the first day of working day of the financial year, to see that what are the issues, because as the government, under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, we want that every issue which we could do, we should resolve, so that for the betterment of the education system in the state. I'm pleased to say that we have crossed about 94% of the literacy rate in the state of Meghalaya. We need under 38,000 to reach 95%, because once we cross 95%, that means it is considered as fully literate state. So we need under 38,000 more, which need to have this functional literacy and numeracy. So from the 24th of April, the government, the different wing of the government will try to pursue this, so that we could achieve the 10% literacy rate. See, it should every citizen should have this functional numeracy literacy, that they will have to appear in some tests or anything the department is doing. But as I said, as per the record, that 94% plus of the citizens of the state they have some basic literacy, but we need under 38,000 plus. So this on 24th, if I remember correctly, 24th of April, we will launch a massive campaign, so that we want that, because once you reach 95%, it is considered as fully literate state. So why 38,000? Yet we can do it. Let us do it. That is the point of